Today we are diving into one of the most luxurious and jaw-dropping creations the RV world has ever seen, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. This is not simply a recreational vehicle built for weekend getaways. It is a mobile palace engineered to deliver the highest level of comfort, technology, and prestige ever placed on wheels. Cadillac has taken everything it represents, elegance, innovation, and authority, and transformed it into a rolling statement of modern luxury travel. From the outside to the smallest interior detail, this motorhome is designed to feel exclusive, dramatic, and undeniably elite. The first thing that captures your attention is the exterior presence. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome stands tall as a true two-story luxury unit, instantly separating itself from conventional RV designs. Its proportions are massive yet refined, with sculpted aerodynamic lines that give it the appearance of a futuristic yacht rather than a road vehicle. LED accent lighting traces the body, highlighting gold-tone details and chrome trim that reflect Cadillac's premium design language. Large panoramic tinted windows stretch across both levels, providing privacy while flooding the interior with natural light. The exterior staircase leading to the upper level adds a dramatic architectural touch rarely seen on any vehicle. At the front, Cadillac's iconic fascia has been completely reimagined. A wide grille, vertical lighting signatures, and flowing chrome elements blend seamlessly into the body. Underbody lighting creates a floating visual effect at night, turning the motorhome into a glowing monument wherever it parks. Multi-axle support and oversized chrome wheels are not just for show. They provide stability, balance, and confidence for long-distance travel. This motorhome commands attention in any environment, whether parked at a luxury resort or rolling down the highway. Stepping inside feels like entering a private penthouse. The lower level welcomes you with a spacious living area dressed in premium leather seating, real wood panels, and polished marble surfaces. A fully integrated smart system allows you to control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment using voice commands or touchscreens. A retractable 65-inch OLED display transforms the lounge into a private theater, while ambient lighting adjusts automatically for day or night comfort. The kitchen is designed for serious luxury living. It features induction cooktops, a built-in espresso system, a smart refrigerator, and soft-close cabinetry finished with gold accents. Every surface feels solid, refined, and purpose-built for long-term comfort rather than short trips. Upstairs, accessible via a grand staircase or an internal lift, the experience becomes even more exclusive. The master bedroom offers a king-size bed, custom upholstery, and calming ambient ceiling lights. A private balcony provides fresh air and panoramic views wherever you stop. The ensuite bathroom includes a rainfall shower, heated floors, premium fixtures, and spa-level finishes. Additional spaces include a guest bedroom, a private office for remote work, and a rooftop deck designed for relaxation under the open sky. Performance matches the luxury. Beneath the floor, a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain delivers strong torque, smooth acceleration, and efficient long-range capability. Adaptive air suspension constantly adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a calm ride regardless of terrain. Advanced steering assist and lane-keeping systems make this massive vehicle surprisingly easy to control. Safety is equally advanced, with 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control working together at all times. Ownership of this rolling mansion comes at a premium. The base price starts around $1.2 million and can exceed $2 million with full customization. For those who demand unmatched luxury, mobility, and presence, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome delivers an experience unlike anything else on the road.